Alright everyone, in the previous video we introduced the knight, and in this video we're going to design the movement pattern for the knight by changing the current movement pattern, which is really a movement pattern for the ghost. Before we do that, I want to bring the knight down to size. So we go to the size variable here, let's try 40 out. Let's get rid of the fade effect that the ghost has. So we have this here, set knight effect, which is the ghost effect, basically. We're going to get rid of that, but we've got to find where it's called. It's called right here. So throw that away from knight move, and then you can get rid of this. Maybe a little bigger. I'm going to get rid of the mist for the time being, so that we can see what we're doing. Yeah, I think 50 is a good size. So now I want to look at this function here, which is the main movement function for the ghost, as it used to be. Now for the knight. And the way it worked for the ghost is it asked you to pick a number at random, and for 7 out of 8 of those it would just move towards the wizard, but on the 8th it would just hover, which meant that it did a rotation in the air. I'm going to change this. We're going to get the knight to attack when he's close to the wizard, but otherwise to chase the wizard. So edit, attack, or chase. And then for this, we're going to get rid of that and take a less than. And we're going to say if distance to wizard is less than a certain distance, we'll just leave it at 50 for now. Then attack. Otherwise, move towards wizard. So we have to define attack, and we'll do that shortly. But for the moment, for this video, I want to focus on moving towards the wizard. So move towards wizard already exists. We have it right here. It points towards the wizard and it moves up to 4 steps. A little bit faster as it goes up different levels. So this should cause the knight to chase the wizard.
Yum yum. Ouch. Ouch.
Now, the last thing that I want to do in this video is I want to create an animation for when it moves towards the wizard. So make a block, take step, and we're going to replace this with take step. And then for this step I want to do a little animation. So control if then else. So if costume number equals 4, then switch costume to 1, else just go to the next costume and move should go in here. So what this is going to do is when it takes a step, for steps 1, 2, and 3, it's just going to move to the next costume, and so we're going to get different parts of this walking motion. And when he gets to step 4, the next step is going to go back to 1. And that's when it's going to actually move a little bit. So let's give that a go. Okay, he's a little bit too jittery, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a wait, 0.1 seconds. And then every time that this is called, it's going to add a little wait time so that that part of the animation can be seen and it doesn't seem so jittery. So let's see if that works. Okay, that's kind of what I like. I only want him to move slow because he's got a lot of armor on. So that'll do for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.